they want to just say thank you to you before you go. Thank you so much. That's it. We just want to give a little something. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Here, okay.
Keep this in a special place. So what are we doing?
2 minutes. Oh, we're from Virginia. Mostly from Virginia. She's from Maryland.
We're in Maryland. I shot him with me.
Oh, yeah?
It's called Runaway Bride. No, there's another one with John Madden.